There is no simple way to delete your Betway account. That is because you should first email them. So according here is that the available options of how to delete your Betway account is delete Betway account by live chat. So for that you should go complete your account deletion process by the help of live chat. You would be accommodated by someone that you are live chatting with. You should contact live team specialist. To navigate to the live chat, you need to tap on the tab named Contact Us, then head on Chat to Live Support. Afterward, you need to provide your mobile number and then tap on Submit. But if you want to delete it in a faster manner, I don't know which one is faster this way. I believe it's the live chat since you are um direct direct chatting with a customer support. This email one right here is that it may take you 2 to 3 days in order to your email to be noticed. So if you want your Betway gambling account to be locked as soon as possible, you should compose the right email by navigating your email account and providing all the details you may be asked by the support team. So we should remember that your email account that you're using must be connected to your Betway account for more secure and smoother process of your deletion of the account. So in the email, you should mention on your account ID your name, your surname, the reasons for deleting a profile, as well as a username and email. They may ask you to provide ID documents to provide your identity. So this step right here is the basic, you know, the basic way how to request a deletion of an account. So here is an email account deactivation template. You can also use this for deletion. So this is sent to the support at betway.com. Topic is to request to delete my account. So here are my or the details.